Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Orchids and Me. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. So today po ay gusto kong i-share sa inyo mga orchids ko in bloom na may fragrance. Ito po ay si Oncidium fragrans. Sa pangalan pa lang ay mabango na, fragrant na. Pero hindi siya ganun kalakas ang amoy. Kailangan mong lumapit para maamoy siya. I don't know, because maybe the flowers are not that so many that we cannot smell her if we are far. But look at the blooms, so pretty. Yan po ang close up. Sa actual po ay mas darker red ang color niya. Ganda niya, no? Nabili ko po tong orchids na to with spike, with flower spike. When I receive it, naputol po yung spike. Mahaba sana to eh. Dalawang spike pa naman. So, ginawa ko, nilagay ko lang siya dito sa yung sinasabit. Pinatong ko lang siya dyan. At inalagaan. Then, after a few months, ayan. I'm so happy na namulaklak siya. Nag-branch out yung spike. Ayan, branch out lang yan. Tsaka, ayan, namulaklak. Ayan, namulaklak siya. So, ito yung spike niya. Mahaba sana yan. Pero okay lang. At least nag-flower siya. Ang tagal din, ha? Kasi, hindi kagad nag-react yung spike. Siguro, mga few months pa bago siya nag-produce ng branch. So, nung naputol siya, buti hindi ko siya kinatanggal dito. Kaya, pag meron pong gantong nangyari, once na spike is still green, don't cut the flower spike. You might have a surprise bloom. Thank you. Ganda-ganda. So, happy, happy, happy. Ito na naman yung ating Ensaivola Kakapo bird. Naalala niyo po to? May video ako nito, yung Orchids in Bloom. Few months ago, na kinain ng insect yung flowers niya. Ngayon, she gave me a new flower spike with 11 flowers. She's fragrant, but you need to come closer to smell it, even in the daytime. Pero maybe sa nighttime, mas mabango. Kasi Brassavola hybrid po ito. Ang ganda niya. The plant is so healthy. Even this one, it's so healthy. Mukhang gusto nila itong bago kong location sa Cavite. Ito yung Haliaster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers. Mabango siya kasi it's daytime, but I don't know, during nighttime, maybe they're more fragrant. The fragrance is somewhat like Brassavola too. Ito yung Kakapo bird. Tingnan niyo po. Mas malaki yung lip niya. Ito medyo maliit. Pero ang ganda ng flower po. Tingnan niyo. I don't know what color is this. It's not red. It's brownish red or burgundy. Or is it cranberry? I don't know. But the lip, it's so beautiful. Ganda-ganda. Ganda-ganda-ganda. First time to bloom for me. So pretty and fragrant too. This is a special orchid. I bought it for 570 pesos. Near blooming size. Yan po siya. Laki, no? So, ganyan. Di ko pa siya nalilipat. Di ko pa siya nariripat. Pinatong ko lang siya dyan. Then, ito na si Brassavola nodosa. Hindi ko alam kung pang ilang bloom na niya to. Pero alam ko, in a year, nagbo-bloom siya. I don't know, 2-3 times. But, what I observe is, mas malaki yung flower niya compared to previous bloom. Dalawa lang. Look at the size. See? see look at the size of the flower. Much bigger compared to this one and this one. But this is the one of the parent. This is the parent, Brassavola nodosa. So, ito ay hybrid. Di ko alam kung anong cross nito, but ito yung parent niya. Kaya parehas sila. Pati yung leaves nakuha, yung shape ng flower, yung fragrance maybe. And every time she produces a new bulb or new cane, produces a flower. Ito mayroon pang dalawa. So, ito bago rin. Pag pumupunta po ako dun sa likod, ang bango nila. So, kailangan ko lang silang i-film kasi full bloom na po. Full bloom na rin. Full bloom na rin. And this one is full bloom too. May na-miss nga akong i-share sa inyo. Isang Cattleya ko na orange. Hindi ko na naabutan. Next time. Hindi ko na film kasi umalis ako nag-vacation. Boracay. Oh, ganda ka oh. Yan ano. Wala. Ito naman ay si Rustic Spot number 1. Ganda niya, no? Close up.
This is a fragrant Cattleya hybrid. And the flower is long lasting.
Ang healthy niya, ang kapal ng puno. Nabili ko rin siya online. I think may flower siya, kaya lang pa-fade na. So ito, bagong bloom niya ito. Isa lang, pero I'm so happy. Sorry for the background noise because there are lots of chicken here. If you see this orchid, you need to buy it. I think it's worth having her. So beautiful and fragrant. The color is somewhat brown with greenish. It's a tessellated. Look at it closely. So let's enjoy her flower and her fragrance. I don't know if I'm smelling like jasmine, but it's a combination. It's a perfumey. I would love to have this as a perfume. I think it's 1 meter long, including the roots. It's somewhat big orchid, but I don't mind even if I don't have space. I love to have her. I'm happy to have her. I have her here in an open area. She gets morning sun and rain. Together with my other bandas. So I will be excited to share with you the blooms of these other bandas. Thank you for watching. Like po kayo, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll be informed with some upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.